In this video, I am going to show you how to change background on Google Meet on mobile. Open the Meet app and then select a meeting. Before you join or during a meeting, tap Effects at the bottom of your self-view. You can adjust and stack visual effects across different categories. Tap the category and scroll down. Under the Backgrounds tab, to slightly blur your background, tap Slightly Blur. To completely blur it, tap Blur. To upload your own background, tap Upload. To select a pre-uploaded background, tap the background you want to use. To remove the effect, tap No Effects or tap the No mark. Under the Filters tab, tap the filter you want to use. Under the Appearance tab, you can select an option under Portrait Touch Up. To adjust video lighting, tap the light bulb under Adjust Video for low light. To change style, tap the style you want to use. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.